It's about the pencil. Do the ABCs, the S, and the 1, 2, 3 S. It's the pencil. It's about the pencil. Set us out. Welcome back to the Blanket Pencil.
Let's see what I do today. A different toy. Let's see.
This is from you guys' Uncle Mannie. It's for both of you guys. Is that nice?
Oh yeah, we can just open it.
What is it?
I think it's a cycle. Oh whoa! It's that's cool.
Oh, the dark shooting game.
Oh,
Nice.
Guys, this is a cool toy. I never have this toy. Not me either. No, I didn't know this. I thought you say
Manny
toy.
Manny for the toy.
There's two, mommy.
Yeah, it's 2-player. Ooh, we got batteries, battery operated. Let's open it.
Let's open, guys. Thank you, Manny, very much for this.
Yeah,
So,
it's super cool.
if I toy.
It's me and Vince.
And me. I'm on the Blake and Ben show.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm brother.
Whoa.
And the also.
Oh, wow. Wait, there's a lot of different
Here, Ben.
balls and... Oh, cool. We're about to have to do this. This is so cool because this right here, it goes up like this and the balls come up and then they gotta shoot the balls. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what y'all got.
Okay.
And this is so cool.
And guys, we're get some batteries and come right back. Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, now I'll turn it on.
First on this one.
Jeez.
There we go.
Oh, you got one. Goodbye. Thank you. That one left to fall down. The other one fall. I guess.
Good shot, Blake. Good job, though, Blake.
Thank you, bye. Uncle.
You mean thank you me? I handed it to you, Ben.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, bye. Uncle.
Come to sit with me.
Here you go, bye.
Where's Robin?
Thank you. I got 2 more. Thank you, bye.
Go on, babe.
Wow.
Thank you, bye. Thank you.
Almost out of bullets, boys.
Oh no!
Did you get it?
Oh, that means we run out of bullets. See.
Almost.
It went only past there. I'm trying to make it through.
Last shot. Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Later, another try. Bye. About the pencil. It's about the pencil. Do the ABC, the A, and the 1, 2, 3.